Hey, Dr. Stephen here. This is our local high school and their baseball field and stands, and it's empty. You know, the writer to the Hebrews tells us that faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. Well, this would have been opening week for baseball, and as you can see, I'm a baseball guy. The Colorado Rockies are my team, and they're not opening this week, but you know what? These were extraordinary times, and yet we serve an extraordinary God, and God is not surprised by any of these circumstances. So we're going to all take a deep collective breath, and we're going to continue and have a great week. So I'll talk to you in just a moment about the class. I hope you don't mind my corny little intro. I'm a baseball guy. It's the only sport I really care about. And the Colorado Rockies here in Colorado are my team. And this week would have been starting the opening game for baseball, but it's not. And we're going to all be okay. We're going to get through this, aren't we? God has got a plan. So this week in our church history class, they call it the Age of Ideology. It's fascinating because for the first time in Christian history, the masses, if you will, many believers were more educated, were more literate, and thus began to have opinions about a lot of different aspects of faith and culture, and faith and politics, and faith and those kinds of things. So there's some tough issues there. How the church responded to Nazism and communism, and how does the church respond to evil governments and those kinds of things. Did they do it right? Well, history shows they didn't always do it right, but would we have done much better? I don't know. Those are some of the issues at the forefront. And then that goes even into other worldview issues with the fight for Christian understanding of science versus Darwinian evolution and the Scopes monkey trial and all those kinds of things. Fascinating, interesting reading. So let's jump in. I look forward to reading your responses, and you guys are almost done. We just have a few weeks left. Everybody's doing excellent in the class, and I'm praying for each one of you that God just gives you much grace during this time. The Lord bless you all.